The much-awaited Achedhan finally may begin to materialize soon. Yes, the surprise rate cut by Reserve Bank of India Governor Raghuram Rajan is set to provide a much-needed boost to the economy and to the common man. In the immediate term, a cut in the repo rate will lead to slightly lower equated monthly installments on all home and car loans, lowering the monthly outgo both for existing as well as prospective home and auto buyers. Also set to lower borrowing costs coupled with loan-fueled consumer demand, besides encouraging industry to move slowly into investment mode. Certainly, this will help creating new jobs, increasing overall demand and raising prosperity levels, and would lead to a virtual cycle of consumption-led growth. Well, a 25 basis points cut in the repo rate may be too small to lead to a massive recovery, yet Rajan's prognosis for the medium term holds out hope. In a statement released on the RBI website, he has said he expects the reduced levels of inflation, which have fallen to near zero levels at the wholesale level and 5% at the retail level, to hold because of favorable conjunction of lower global oil prices, a decline in food and vegetable prices, and some other domestic and global factors. It also further states that the government has reiterated its commitment to adhering to its fiscal deficit target. What does it mean? The RBI chief expects the government to maintain macroeconomic stability, which is critical for keeping the inflation rate below the Apex Bank's targets of 8% by January 2015. More significantly, he also added that the fifth bi-monthly monetary policy statement also stated that once the monetary policy stance shifts, subsequent policy actions will be consistent with this stance. Key to further easing are data that confirm continuing disinflationary pressures. Meanwhile, analysts are interpreting this to mean that further rate cuts of 50 to 75% basis points may be on their way after the union budget due next month. If that were to happen, and along with the government-led reforms measures such as the goods and services tax, high foreign direct investment limits in the insurance and pension sectors, and improved power generation. That apart, many also feel following the auction of coal blocks, GDP growth rates could jump over the next 2 years by as much as 1.5 to 2 percentage points. At that rate, millions of new jobs are expected to be created for the 12 to 15 million youth who joins India's workforce every year, as well as mid-career professionals who want to switch jobs. And the additional demand will keep the wheels of industry rolling smoothly. Thus far, the rate cut could just be the first act of that feel-good script of Narendra Modi-led BJP government at the center. News Desk, Mango News.
पब्लिक खुद करवाएगी. सबसे खुशी की बात ये होगी कि पब्लिक सिटीजन्स खुद करवाएगी थ्रू सोशल ऑडिट्स एटसेट्रा. सो हम मिलके करेंगे. हम दिल्ली को वाकई दुनिया का, अपने हिंदुस्तान का दिल बनाएंगे.